That was mine.
Yeah. Eggs are messed up. It's a hen. Fat hen.
Oh, dang. Hey. Ernesto, you got a bag? These are nice. They're big.
Yeah.
Ernesto got a bag? Yeah. You got a bag? These are perfect too.
Oh my gosh, look at you.
18.
18.
Yeah. Little over.
Morning, taco salad.
I don't have one.
Somebody down there, don't get clear, clear.
Fat eggs, man.
Yeah, these are nice. These are perfect. You know?
Yeah. I'm gonna eat them also.
Wait, where's the third one? Where's the third one?
Oh, that's great.
Let me get those gets. I just got it. I'm trying to get off his first, too. Yeah. Hope he does.
Then take it off. Yeah, man.